was a joint effort with Vention and ourselves, where they came in and looked at our operation and they identified this being, a step in to the robotics world.
I wanted the right machine, a straightforward cobot that are easily programmable by our own people. We need something that meets our needs and our people's needs.
Labor is going to be a challenge moving forward. It's going to continue to get more expensive. It's a challenge to retain people. So we went to try to find an opportunity where we could bring equipment in that could allow us to utilize our workforce differently and use some of the robotics to perform some of those repetitive jobs for us.
The perspective of adding robotics to an operation is linked to we're going to eliminate jobs. I don't see it that way. I think that we can take that staff and give them more fulfilling tasks.
What I really like about Vention is the ability to take a simple design like this that works for us today and very quickly down the road as our needs change, upgrade and modify with very little input from ourselves. The Vention team really helps us out.
Our manufacturing operation is really low to mid volumes with a high mix of SKUs. We've got to find automation that really fits our operations, which is being able to be flexible, being able to pivot, being able to do that in a timely manner.
People are not that good at palletizing, and people don't like palletizing. So to be able to improve that and improve our team's day was a win-win.
What I found with Vention is their simple software approach that allows us to input SKUs just through a graphics interface really was going to be simple and therefore would not need a special technician every time we had to add a new SKU.
We found the system really intuitive, especially with the real-time pricing. That allowed our engineers to focus on what was important to them. Because of our low volume and high mix, the facility needed to be designed for flexibility and modularity.
Unlike some other robots, there's always been not hesitation, but a learning curve and a slowdown in productivity on any new line. And frankly, we haven't had that. With the two robots, we're able to speed up our line and allocate people to go to other lines that are not as efficient. So frankly, that investment is going to pay off within a year.
Our ROI on this project was at 20 months. And from our first engagement with Vention, within 6 months, we had the first of our 2 robots out here on our operations floor, which that speed to market is something that we have not seen or experienced. Kind of felt like we found a little bit of a needle in a haystack there.
During the factory move, we had a lot of timing challenges to deal with, and Vention was able to work with us very carefully to coordinate the different phases of the deliveries.
To us, what's really important to select a company that is forward-thinking.
What makes Vention incredible is not only the quality of work they provide, but really the adaptability that their team has to fit what we as the customer are looking for, which is a really rare thing that we've found in manufacturing and technology and automation.
When I was hired here, I was challenged with one specific goal: find a partner that I could work with in automation. I am very confident that I have found that partner in Vention. I think we're going to be able to do great things together on other projects in the future.
I just have a team of 5, but with help from Vention, we can get a lot accomplished down the road.
This is only the first of what I hope are many automation projects that we work on together.
Congratulations to the folks at Vention for making it better than anticipated.
So we're already seeing the impact of the Vention relationship, and we're really looking forward to the future working together as a team.